girlfriend for the day. I got one more set left that I gotta do. Not easy at all, but daddy gotta work. I'm working out here, you know what I'm saying? I'm working out here. I wish I could have recorded going up, but I'm working out here. Trust me, I'm doing it. Trust me, I'm doing it. Trust me, I'm doing it. I'm working out here. You know what? I'm gonna see if I can get somebody to record me and get in this out. I'm doing it though. I'm doing it. I'm gonna get it done. And then I'm done for the day. You know what I mean? Started. Doing my incline treadmill walk, a half hour. This is one of those things that's a little known secret, but it works. Okay, look at the numbers. 15 incline, 2.2 speed. The incline is too high though. I'm gonna bring it down to 13.5. You can go higher if you want to, but I ain't fucking with it. All right, we out.